Hey boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel of Inspiring Trader. I'll be giving you some few levels and make sure that you subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed and hit the notification button. Okay. Alright, so we'll directly get into this four pairs. First, we will start with Euro USD. I want to show you in higher time frame what is the trend. So this is in daily time frame. The trend is in downtrend. You can see if you know about Dow theory, lower high, lower lows. Now what we have to see, we have to go along with the trend and we have to find opportunity to sell or buy based on the trend. So the trend is downtrend here, so we will look for some selling opportunities. So this is in daily time frame. You can see it is taking beautiful resistance. Also, if I draw horizontal line, you can see every time when it is breaking. So here this level is taken out, again it went up, it came down and taking trend line resistance, came down, took support, again got almost near to this trend line resistance, then now it broke and now again it took a resistance. So multiple resistance. This trend line is very important, guys. Okay, so now we are here. Let's talk about the current scenario. For us to take trade and build some refined view, we have to come always to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour. Now there is a two opportunities what I can see in Euro USD. The first one is we have to short below this. This short trade I won't be taking. I will take only if there is a breakdown, and if it goes up, then if I find any good bearish candle, I will be shorting. Above the bearish candle will be my stop loss and I will take entry over here, only retest entry in this setup and for the target of at least 1:2. Okay, this is the positional target where I have set this target looking at weekly time frame. Now I won't be taking you to weekly time frame, but this is the level. You can see this black line 0.97248 is the weekly positional target. If you are a day trader or intraday trader, what you can do, you can go to 15 minutes and you can find some good bearish candle over here below this. If you find any good bearish candle in 15 minutes, take this quick trade, especially if we find this trade in New York session, then we can short with the stop loss of 1:2. Okay, you can short like this. So this is just a preparation and 1:2 will be our trade. This will be for the whole week, this target. We don't know, it will take some time. So that will be 1:5. Now what is the second opportunity in Euro USD? Let's see. So the second opportunity is we have to see what happens. Sometimes there is a possibility of taking support and it will go up. Okay, and from here we have to find some good setup. Yes, this I have more conviction for the target of this. Okay, so here what we have to do, so I hope you have understood this trend line areas. So what we have to do is, I'll give an example. What happened at this area? It went up, it bounced, but it took resistance, and from here this breakdown we also took trade. I don't know if you guys remember. Okay, so we took trade, it came down and it fell. So the same scenario, if it goes up and if we get any trend line breakdown, we can short at this area for the target of this one. This will be beautiful trade. Maybe you will get 1:3. Now the candle has not formed, but we have to wait what actually it is forming. Okay, so you can short at this area or this area. Here retest entry, here breakdown entry. The next one is EURGBP. Here if you look at in 4-hour time frame, it has made a double top over here, and we can also call it as a selling area because it fell once from this area. See, so here. Now what we have to do, this is in 4-hour. Okay, what we have to do, we can short below this. Okay, below this, or I would say you can also short now with the stop loss of this one. You can short now. That is a risky trade, so it's up to you. Okay, but I'll be shorting below this. So to take a refine entry, we'll go to 1 hour and we will see what we can find. Here we can see this one. Okay, so what did I say? You can short now itself if you find any good bearish candle at this area. Yes, with the stop loss and the target will be, let's see the target will be this one. Okay, this is positional target again, and if you are a quick trader, day trader, get out with 1:2. That is better. 1:1 is always better to exit conservative target. If you take any 2 lot, exit 1 lot and carry 1 more. So that is what we have to do. This is very simple, guys. There is nothing much to talk about this pair. Okay, so this is the safe entry below this blue one. So what I want you to do is go to your chart and draw it and see how it works. Okay, so below 86086 I will be shorting. If you want to take an aggressive shot, this is the area. This is aggressive shot. This is the safe shot. Whenever you short, for example, imagine you shorted at this area. Okay, so above that candle will be your stop loss. Okay, this one, if you short here, if you short at this area, keep this as your stop loss and this is your target. This can be your first conservative target. Okay, all right. USD CHF. Now I can see this dollars are getting stronger. So based on that also, what we can do is, right now for a short term, this is an uptrend. Okay, and this is also double top. This is also double top. There are 2 opportunities in this. One, when it breaks this area, this level, this low, you can short for the target of this. Whatever the breakdown candles above should be your SL. We have a buying opportunity. Whenever you find any candle is taking support like hammer or any good bullish candle closes, then it is a buy opportunity. Below this trend line will be our stop loss. This will be the first target. Yeah, this is a conservative target. You can exit 70% of your position, because it is, for me, it is a selling area. Now it may not work, we don't know, but based on the formation in live market, we have to take trade. I will be guiding you. Okay, so below this trend line, below this one is for short, and here if you find any, look at here, it took good support and very good, it's a good bullish candle. You got a good bullish candle. We can also do what, we can go to 15 minutes for a good refined entry. Okay, and if you see here, it took support, with this good bullish candle, and this could have been your entry. Below this will be your stop loss, and above this high will be first target, and then it will keep, then it kept making higher high, higher lows. So here, let's see how it goes. 2 opportunities to sell below this, buy over here. We have a USD JPY. It is making a good structure. You can see it is in good uptrend, and it closed above this resistance area, which is selling area, but we can take a refined entry when it reaches at this area. So what you have to do is you have to put this in radar. It's not that you have to go buy and sell at this area, guys. Okay, let it come here, let it create any good bullish candle. Below this will be your stop loss. You can take entry when it closes. Why? Because it is making higher high, higher lows, and it is taking support of trend line support. And one more thing is the beautiful, I have more conviction in this, is because it will take horizontal support. It will also take trend line support. This is my favorite setup, guys. Okay, yeah, so this will be the target, the conservative target. If you buy at this area, this will be my conservative target. So you will get at least 1:2 in this also. All right, I hope you have understood these levels. You have to observe the structure. If I get opportunity, I'll share my live trade. And the last one is EURGBP. I have given, I don't know if you guys remember this blue line, and look at this, how beautifully it hit the target, and it is just flying. Now, so this is the structure in daily. A little bit of exhaustion at this area in daily closing. Okay, so we can sell for a quick trade. There is a long trend line, broke out, and it is going up now, higher and high. For a short trade, like quick trade, what we can do, we can go to 15 minutes, and if this low is taken out, this low with bearish candle, you can take entry for the target of a quick trade, conservative target, and you have to exit over here itself. And whatever the bearish candle creates over here, above that should be the stop loss. Okay, so this will be a good trade, guys. All right, I hope you guys got these levels. So we have 5 pairs for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something, saw the levels, saw the structure. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and families, guys. Thank you very much.